Hello everyone, welcome to Delicacies and DIY. Let's see how to make Basundi, a sweet made with milk and sugar. Boil half a liter of full cream milk. If you keep a spoon like this while the milk is boiling, it won't spill out. Keep stirring and scraping the sides. Add 2 tablespoons chopped dry fruits once the milk is reduced a little. Boil for another 5 minutes on low heat. Keep stirring occasionally. Now add 3 tablespoons sugar. Stir until the sugar dissolves and boil the milk for few more minutes. Add 1/4 teaspoon cardamom powder or seeds of 1 cardamom pod. Let the milk reduce for 5 more minutes. You may enjoy it immediately, but Basundi tastes more delicious when chilled. Garnish with chopped pistachios. Basundi is super easy to make, requires very few ingredients, and makes delicious dessert. Do try it and share your feedback in the comment section.